This is Brian Stafford.
This is Brian Stafford. And look at my car. I'm just kidding. That's not my car. I went on Pimp My Ride, and they gave me this. That was awesome. Yeah. They were gonna give me a Hummer. It was red. I was like, man, that's a bummer. So I got the Princess car instead.
Yeah.
And that's pretty awesome if you ask me.
Oh, the chocolate?
I mean,
No.
look at these rims. Look at those rims and look at that purple and pink paint job. And the stickers. That's like so awesome. It's got a ball in the front.
Oh, yeah,
You got some removable seats.
Oh, you were riding in here.
You got a little bit of trunk space. It's a
Your
Toyota.
seat change up there, Tom. You left it in the car.
It's a Toyota.
What's in the car?
Right here.
It's right there. Can you give it to me?
Yeah, so this is my personal collection of cars. The Toyota. And I got a little dirt bike over there. You see that? That's pretty badass. Made for the desert. Yeah. And then I got this right here. I think it's kind of ugly. It doesn't make any sense at all, but
Hello?
it's all right. If you follow me this way,
Yeah? Can I stop it?
see one of my stupid trucks. It's right here. It's kind of old, but yeah. It's all right. It's a Silverado. Yeah, it's a 1500. Over here, we got another truck. That's another 1500 over there. And then at my other house, we got a minivan. So yeah, that's about it.